What's poppin', Snake? What's poppin', Snake Gang? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, man, do me a huge favor. Smash the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. Smash the like button. The support's been pretty unreal lately, so just keep that up, man. I really appreciate you guys for that. I think we're about to hit 110,000 subscribers, so been doing really well with that as well. With that being said, man, I'm doing something different today. I'm doing something a little special because a lot of people on YouTube, they do the same shit. They don't really switch things up. I'm trying to do something a little different today. I'm gonna try to make as much as I can on one trade with only a $10,000 account. I'm only gonna be taking one trade. One trade in a 24-hour period, either GBJPY, gold, maybe US 30. It's gonna be one of those three. Not sure yet. We'll see what we have a proper setup on. And we're gonna be taking one trade, like I said, in a 24-hour period. You're gonna follow me throughout the day, see what I'm doing throughout the day, and we're pretty much gonna see what we can turn 10K into in 24 hours, like I just said 6 times. So that's what we're doing today, man. Like I said, thank you guys for coming back. Leave comments and suggestions on videos you guys wanna see. Follow my Instagram at MambaFx Trading, and anything you guys are interested in, you can find it on MambaFxTrading.com right here. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into today's video.
Hella shameless, necklace on me decorated. All this got me feeling jaded. Hold up, I'll be waiting. Bad thing on my radar. Told me that I'm in a playlist. Flower bomb, she a lotus. Got me thinking that I'm famous. I remember when I prayed for this. No sleep, cause I'm anxious. All this for entertainment. Crazy thinking that it's day one. All this spinach for the taking. Yeah, hold it down for the nameless.
What's poppin', Snake Gang, man? Really quick, just welcome back to the vlog. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I plan on posting at least once a week again. I always say that, I know, but like I seriously want to. I'm actually, today, after I get these tattoos, I'm about to go check out some office spaces and hopefully cop an office space that will kind of motivate me to be on top of, you know, YouTube, Instagram, being more active, things like that. I'm gonna work with the free group a little bit more, stuff like that, just all that good shit. That's kind of what's planned for today. Kind of just spoiled it, so I'm gonna go get a tattoo. It's gonna be the Mamba logo. Been wanting to get that tattoo forever. I'm finally gonna go do it. Other than that, we're gonna go look at some office spaces, and yeah, man. I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. With that being said, I do want to show you guys a trade I just took. I sent this out to my VIP and stuff. Want to give you guys some exclusives on this trade, the breakdown of it. And then I'm actually looking at another trade to get into right now on a $10,000 account I just started that I would love to see what we can do with it in this 24-hour span. That's kind of what this video is about. It's a vlog slash how much can I make on a 10K account video. So you guys probably read the title. It probably says how much I made. So it's already spoiled, but you guys are gonna see how I took that trade, why I took that trade, and all that good shit. But thank you guys for coming back, man. Like I said, I'm gonna show you guys this trade. We're gonna head out, get the tattoo. Me and the wifey, we're gonna go look at some offices and all that good shit. So thank you guys for coming back, and I'll see you guys in about 1 second. Before I do that, I just wanna show you guys really quick. You know, you guys are part of my life, so I'll show you. Got these little lizard setups that I'm actually setting up. I wanna breed these little leopard geckos and bearded dragons. And no, I'm not like every other guru out there that's like, I just party, do drugs, drive my fast cars. No, like I have a huge family. I'm a family man, and I do shit like breed lizards with the kids and have fun. So if you're looking for that crazy, crazy lifestyle, you better look somewhere else, man, because this is just how it is here, guys. But I will beat your ass though, so don't get that confused or anything like that. I'll still beat someone's ass any day of the week. All right, guys. So I want to go over this trade that I actually took with the VIP group. Not VIP actually. I took this with my mentorship group. I sent this out to VIP as well. I just didn't send it as a signal. I just kind of told them like, hey, this is what we're looking at. We're entering here, and it was up to them if they wanted to get in. But here's pretty much what we saw, right? I'm going to put this in replay mode, and we'll kind of go from there. But I'll show you guys what I saw. Okay. So I started off looking at the H4. And what I saw on the H4 was a very simple channel, right? A very, very simple channel. Price respected this channel down here, right? Or way down there, but boom, 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 boom. Okay? This is the H4 / daily channel, and price really started to respect this zone. Now, what I needed to see for me to take this sell was some confirmation on a smaller time frame, right? So as I saw this channel was being respected, we were at a pretty much a resistance here with these two wicks. Right, wick here, and then we're also at the top of this channel. I believe price is gonna crash down and now hit the bottom of our channel, which would actually be down in this area, right? Because price respected this channel multiple times. And either respect this channel or hit this support, one or the other. But I do believe price is gonna crash here very strongly, okay? So what I had to do from here is I went to my 30-minute / 15-minute time frame, and I knew that I needed to see price pretty much break through my zones, right? And I actually sent this out to my Telegram, and I'll show you guys that real quick. So I was showing that we had divergence on GBP odd, right? We had divergence on GBP odd. I also showed that, you know, hey, we're respecting the channel. I told them everything like that. We need to see this clear engulfing. This was live. And then I said, look, if we break this zone, which is our entry zone, which you guys can actually see, we'll take our sell. We then took our sell, entering a small sell position, and pretty much let this play out, and boom, take profit did get smashed, just to show you guys that I really am showing these type of setups live, okay? But anyway, so went to my 15. I needed price to break this support, okay? Price did break this support, but then it created this new support, former resistance here, new support. So I need a candle to break below this zone before I'm gonna take my sell, okay? I need my entry zone to get broken below, because there's no more support or resistance until down here at this point, right? And I have that marked up. So if price can break, it's very simple on the 15/30, price just needs to break this major support slash, you know, former resistance. Okay, so all I did was wait for that. And remember guys, on confluence or in confluence, what do we have? Okay, as you guys can see, it broke right there with that pink candle. Took my sell there, stops were basically above that previous high, and I was just targeting, right, a strong support level. Where I think price, you see, boom, 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 resistance, now it could be support. That's pretty much what I targeted, and as you guys can see, price played out. It's gonna take a minute, take a little bit, but boom, take profit was smashed, okay? That's how simple it was, guys, and don't forget, I'm looking at that H4/daily channel as my main confluence. I went to my smaller time frame. We broke below our moving averages, our 50 and our 8 SMA, as you guys know. Once we broke below that, we also have to make sure we break below our major support on the smaller time frame, and now we have a clear path to the bottom. And that's all I saw. It was a very simple setup, and we made a lot of money on that trade. Now, let's get into the trade I'm taking right now and what's happening today. All right, guys, so I'm going to take this sell here on GBP/JPY. We're going to be doing 10 standards, okay? 10 actual standards, man. This is a huge trade, right? But I'm very confident in this trade. There's no doubt in my mind it's gonna work out. I do have to hurry though, because we are actually heading to get the tattoo right now. They're waiting for me. But just to show you guys, this is a live account, man. $10,000 deposit. As you guys can see, live account. And we are in for our sell. So I'm gonna go ahead and break this trade down when we get back, but as of right now, we are taking that sell on GJ. I'm gonna go ahead and take off, get this tattoo, and see how this trade plays out throughout the day. When we get back, I'll explain why I took this trade, the exact breakdown, the strategy I used, and all that good stuff. So stay tuned, let's go get this tattoo. Gonna be a minute before it looks good because my shit's bloody and swollen, so yeah, we're gonna look at it in a bit. I'm so tired. Alright, shadow on me, but we just got done. I'm tired as shit. Didn't think it was gonna take that long, but literally we was in there all day, so now we don't get to look at offices. That's one. Trade's going okay. I mean, literally I'm at like $12 profit, so we're pretty much break even. It's just sitting there doing nothing. I bought a lizard and it got shipped this morning. I wasn't home, unfortunately, so now we gotta go pick it up from FedEx, and then we'll go home, review the trade, see how it's going, go over why I took the trade and all that good ass shit. Yeah, man, we finally got the, try to show you guys, it's really beat up, but we got the Mamba logo. Should look good, but it's just really beat up, like swollen and shit, because my skin was not taking purple. By the way, guys, for you guys that are wondering, next week I'm gonna be dropping episode 3 of the $5 to 10K challenge. I know I've been slacking on that. I've been super busy, so I know it's been a while, but episode 3 is coming and we're gonna keep moving along. Just for you guys wondering, that's pretty much what's going on with that. For all y'all haters out there saying I'm not a real trader, what the f call this, baby? Come on now. Come on now. First things first, I had to get this cash out for our little nanny. You watching the kids and shit, you know, like I said, we live a family life. We got 15 kids and shit, so gotta pay the nanny. Shout out to the nanny though, because without her we'd be fucking stupid tied up. But I gotta get this a nanny. So we stopped the chase, about to go home, like I said, review the trade. Turns out they dropped my lizard off at 3 p.m. It's 7 o'clock, so hopefully that little motherfucker is not dead in the box. Thank God I don't run a lizard channel, because they'd be in the comment section like, why, oh my God. But whatever, he's alive though, I believe in it. So we'll go home, check on him, and we'll go over the trade. Appreciate you guys for stopping in. Look at the kicks. Oh my God, oh my God. Here he is. Oh my God, he's alive. Look at him. He's actually a little baby. He's a raptor, so if you could tell, his eyes are like red. Not that you guys give a shit, so I'm just gonna put him in his tank because you guys don't care anyway. Way to make me feel good. Cool, so I got my little raptor in there, looking good. Alright, Snake Gang, so I'm just barely waking up, man. We caught 27 pips last night. We're gonna go look at a couple office spaces, and when we get back, I will go ahead and break down the trade for you, exactly why I took the trade, so don't leave just yet. What? That's not chapstick, that's glue. I'm dead. But, see you guys in a bit, man. We're gonna go look at these office spaces, so I just got some calls back on some office spaces that are actually available to rent. So we're gonna go and take a look at those, look at a couple different options, see what we really like, what's gonna be best for the business when it comes to the back office, when it comes to the YouTube videos, editing, all that good shit, man, the free Telegram webinars, all that shit, man, I wanna make sure is top notch for you guys. Whether it's free or paid, it does not matter. It needs to always be top notch, best of the best. So I'm gonna go look at those office spaces. I think it'll get my mind right when it comes to uploading every week and just being on top of everything and just kind of like really focusing and sitting down and making sure that I'm doing everything I need to be doing in that week. That's why I'm getting office space, man. Just clear my mind, get away from the kids, stuff like that. So when I get back, we'll go ahead and break down that GBP JPY trade, see why we won, how I was kind of risking using risk management there and all that good shit as well. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a few minutes. This shit cute. These shits is ugly, bro. I ain't found a nice one all day, so I'm just looking to be nice at this point, but these shits, it's so hard to find office spaces though. Alright guys, so we officially looked at a few different office spaces today, and I think we're gonna actually go with none of those motherfuckers because they was ugly. Bro, those four were like the ugliest probably offices in all of Orange County. Like literally the four we looked at had to be the oldest, ugliest offices I've ever seen. Yeah, we're gonna be patient on that, wait for a better office. I'll let you guys know if I ever get a nice office. Without any further ado, the moment you guys been waiting for, the strategy breakdown and why I took that GBP JPY sell and why it worked. What's good, Snake Gang? Welcome to the breakdown, man. The moment you guys have been waiting for, why I took this short on GBP JPY, why it worked out, what I saw. And it's very simple, guys. It's a very simple trade, beautiful trade, love it. I don't even know what else to say. I'm talking too much. So let's get into the breakdown, okay? So first things first, why did I look for short positions on GBP JPY? Okay, well, first things first, man. This is something I talk a lot with my students, my VIP, things like that. You know, more paid members, but I'm obviously giving it to you guys now. You guys getting some of the juice, but it's just called build-up, okay? I call it build-up. It's really just resistance, but it's a build-up to me because it's all in one spot, okay? It's not like resistance like this where it's spread out, okay? It's more so like boom, 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 boom. Price cannot break that point, okay? So if you take a look right here, price cannot break that point. Price is, you know, it's rejecting that high and it's now creating a build-up resistance, okay? So once I saw that, I needed one more thing to happen, right? I needed to see a very bearish candle, okay? And when we got this bearish engulfing candle, I kind of figured, okay, price is probably most likely going to hit our next support slash resistance zone. If not there, down here, right? Points down here, I still think we'll still come hit this point. I think we're gonna go bearish to this point, right? So with that being said, I had my buildup, okay? I had my buildup zone, right? After the buildup zone, we had a beautiful, let me see, beautiful bearish engulfing candle. Yes, we had a little bit of a rejection, but overall, this is pretty much engulfing every candle from the last it's been a cool minute since it's been that big. I mean, this one's pretty big, but I would say this one's still bigger, okay? It was way bigger than this move here, okay? And let me tell you guys something. This is something you guys need to really pay attention to. Anytime you see price kind of make a move like that, and a very similar pattern, right? Another, look at this big bullish candle, then we have a big bearish candle. Anytime you get a pattern like that, price will most likely mirror this side, right? You're gonna know one thing with Forex is it mirrors all the time. It's always doing the same shit, up, down, consolidation. Overall, it's the same shit, guys. It's not rocket science, okay? So if price over here made a clear path up with some clean traffic straight to the upside, most likely it's gonna have clean traffic straight to the downside. You see what I'm saying? So straight up, straight down, okay? So now price most likely, if you look at this image, what is it gonna do? It's gonna mirror this, and it's gonna come down here, and then come down here, okay? Very simple. So once I saw those main things happening on a higher time frame, such as the H4, I then knew it's time to go down on a smaller time frame and find my entry, okay? So if we put this in replay mode, which we already are in, but if we just pretty much adjust this to when this happened, right? Here's what I would be actually looking for from this point now before I take another short position or take my first short position. I would kind of just want to see price retrace to our gold Fibonacci zone, okay? I'm not going to talk about the Fibonacci right now. You guys know about the Fibonacci. It's all over my channel. Go watch other videos on my trading strategies. You'll see what I'm talking about. It's very simple, man. We take our Fibonacci from this push, right, where this red or pink, whatever the fuck this is, starts to come down. So from right here, right, not the blue, but where I see it start to come down, right? This is the first bearish candle we get to the downside. And I draw that simply to the bottom of that push. Now, I would like to see price come back and retest this Fibonacci zone before I start looking for really major short positions, because I do think price will retrace a little bit here, okay? So I waited, I was patient, and then we got it, okay? We got our rejections. So now, what do I do here? It's very simple. I wait for price to pretty much hit what I like to call the swoop zone. These are simple moving averages, right? 1, 2. It's just a simple 8 in blue and a simple red 50, okay? Very, very simple. But, okay, I'm just gonna wait for these to swoop. What does that mean? I go to my 15, right? And I wait for all of my moving averages to come through, okay? I'll show you guys real quick. Where is it? A brush. I want it to come up like this, grab my bars, and pull them down. That's all it is. It's that simple, guys. I'm literally waiting. Now that I have all, and remember guys, I have all this confluence happening on the H4. My H4 is telling me we're going bearish, okay? We had a build-up zone. We broke down, bearish candle. We've now retraced to our gold zone. We go to our smaller time frame, and we see the moving averages kind of crossing here, right? Very, very simple. And if you guys do, if you guys do want a breakdown on this, a really good breakdown, you guys want to see me trade this live, I'll be hosting a webinar Friday, okay? It's going to be in like 2 days. Go down below in the description box, get the webinar. That webinar is super duper cheap, and it's gonna break down all this shit more in depth for like 3 hours straight. So if you guys wanna join me on that webinar, go down below, it's in the description box. I'm gonna teach you guys all of this good shit for super dirt cheap. Cheapest anyone's ever done it. I'm doing it super cheap. So go in the description box, you're gonna get a breakdown how all this shit works. We're gonna be talking live, one-on-one, all that. It's gonna be good, it's gonna be good, just trust me, okay? If you guys are interested, it's there. If not, just pay attention, okay? So, as these moving averages come up and start to pull down, I now believe price is going to go down and follow these moving averages pretty much all the way. So, I got a little bit of a later entry on this. I wasn't pretty much paying attention when it was happening, but either way, boom, got our entry right there, okay? What I saw was a very bearish candle that just engulfed all this bullshit while our moving averages are above everything. I'm pretty sure the moving averages here are just gonna pull our trade to the downside, right? Something simple like that. Hit play on this, boom. Price hits take profit for nasty, 30 pips, but of course there's fucking fees and all that shit. So I think we only made like 2,600, something like that. I also entered at a really shitty time because I was going to get a tattoo, so it was a really bad entry. But that's the trade, man. That is the trade. We went from our H4, right? Let's break this down one more time. H4, build up, okay? Mirror pattern, right? We got the mirror pattern, what we think is going to happen now, okay? H4 build up, boom. Very bearish candle, engulfed all this bullshit from the last, what, day and a half? Engulfed all that shit. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bearish candle. Boom, right? We got a bearish candle. But guess what else we have now, guys? We also have a gold zone, Fibonacci zone, right here on this retest. Very slightly. It's still rejected that zone, though. And guess what? Even if we would have put that to the top, it's still rejected our zone right there. So either way, however you want to draw it, man, I draw it right there. But either way, it rejected our gold zone. Once we saw the gold zone rejection, we went to our 15. We're ready for smaller time frame looks. And we got our moving average crossover. Once these moving averages came inside, boom, came to the outside of it, and started to pull this trade down, we knew we were gonna have bearish momentum. And guess what? Price flooded, right? Price flooded. Okay, we actually made a support there. I'm not sure where we're at right now. Did you haven't looked today? But hey, let me tell you guys something. Look, you guys, mirror effect. We just hit this zone. So guess what GJ's most likely going to do this week, guys? It's most likely going to break down to this zone. I could be wrong. I'm not always right because this is a support. But guess what? Price most likely will magnet down to this zone. I'm telling you guys that right now. Look at this mirror, okay? I know it's not the exact same picture. Boom, it came up here, it came down here, it came down here. It's not the exact same picture. It's not gorgeous, but it's the same thing. It's the same shit that happens in Forex, guys. It's not always going to be gorgeous, but it's going to happen a lot, okay? It's not always going to look the same. Look at this. Boom. Look at this. Does it look the exact same? No. Look at the way this one formed and then a straight drop. But overall, look at the mirror. It mirrored itself. Okay? Now, did price come down and hit the zone? I don't think it did. But, no, it didn't. We had a lot of support we created there, though. Either way, mirror effect. It's simple, guys. This shit's simple. I hope you guys understand everything I just showed you. I know it's crazy, but, you know, a lot of you guys might still be confused. If you guys need extra help, webinar's coming up on Friday. I'm not trying to plug it that much, but it's there if you need it, whatever, I don't care. Either way, I love you guys, man. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope the breakdown made sense to you guys. If not, watch it again. Very simple breakdown. This is how I'm trading every single day with profitable results. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.
Don't tell me how I'm feeling when you really don't know. Used to be my little shawty at all of my shows. Yeah, I bust a couple shots if you fuck with my bro. Now you're thinking that you're wrong, cause you know what I don't. Started at the bottom and you used to be here. You seeing that I'm up and you say it's not fair. You wanted me back, but I really don't.